Every swipe, tap, and click begins an invisible journey, one that keeps modern life moving.
Payments, healthcare, learning, and delivery all rely on information arriving safely, instantly, and without interruption.
From social conversations to online orders, digital services connect people to possibility every hour of every day. That information travels as light, racing through fiber networks beneath cities and across the country. Those fibers arrive at a data center, the physical foundation that makes the digital world possible.
Reliable power enters, is protected, backed up, and delivered precisely to every critical system.
Cooling removes the heat created by computing, protecting equipment, and maintaining performance around the clock.
Network systems direct vast streams of data, connecting users, applications, servers, and services in milliseconds.
Servers process requests. Storage safeguards information. Cloud platforms make computing flexible, scalable, and available.
For AI, high-density GPUs, fast networks, and advanced cooling work together to deliver intelligence at scale.
Let's check the small variants on Rack 4.
Proceed with the standard protocol. When the world needs reliability, skilled engineers make the difference. At MIT WPU, with Nirva Solutions, your journey starts here.